This is the requirement for which you have to write a program. Within, you have to use union statement. The requirement goes like this. An airline alliance want to know for each connection it have, what are the available source and respective destinations. Before going into the source code, check the necessary steps to be taken care. You have to query two tables, SCAR and SPFLI. Then combine using union statement and also filter values based on selection screen. Finally, display the output. Now moving on to the actual source code. Here I have created a program under my package. In the program, I will start with creating the selection screen. Parameters, a name, and for the char ID. Then the select statement. Select char ID, char name from the table SCAR, where char ID equal to the parameter. If you use new open SQL syntax, then it must be used throughout. That means you have to include host variable here at the rate. Otherwise, it will give you error. Now the union statement. After which the second query. Select city from city to from the table SPFLI, where char ID equal to parameter. Order by carrier ID descending. Into the internal table created using inline declaration. When you use union statement, all the queries mentioned in that statement should have all the fields and also equal number of fields. In this case, you can see in the first query, it is having carrier ID and carrier name. In the second query, it is having city from and city to. So the field names are also different and both are not having the same fields. So in order to make it equal, I will add in the first query city from. But since this field doesn't exist in this table, I will pass a literal to it. And one more literal value to field city to. Similarly, in the second query also, I have to do like that. So carrier ID, a literal to carrier ID, and one more literal to carrier name, since these two fields are not available in the table SPFLI. So now the query is ready. I have to display the output using the class CLDemo output and the method display data. In the value, I will pass the internal table. Now I will activate the code using Ctrl F3 and then execute using F8. Enter the value LH and then execute. You can see for LH the carrier name is displayed as well as city from and city to are displayed. For other fields whose values are coming from the select query, nothing but some literal values. So this is how you use union statement using multiple queries. Now that you have got more information using SQL syntax, please work on the exercise to get a hands-on experience on it. All the best.